I'll go first, bud.
See if we were up front first, you would have seen what this did.
Oh, you don't know if you're
Welcome back.
That's fun.
We hope you enjoyed your ride on the Sidewinder. When the train comes to a complete stop,
I guess
our
it's a
ride
two and done for you.
open your shoulder harness for you. Please exit to your right, gather all of your loose articles, and exit down the stairs. Thank you for riding the Sidewinder, and enjoy the rest of your